Reach for your gun.
Grab that by the strap and put it down. You touch it.
Don't. No.
Oh, he's in round.
On the 3rd of September 2025, police stopped an armed man and issued clear commands. Instead of complying, he reached for a weapon. What happened next turned this encounter into a deadly beating in Bay County, Florida.
Mr. Smith.
How do you know my name? I didn't give you my name.
I know you didn't.
reach for your gun. It don't work.
Mr. Smith.
I'm not reaching for mine.
I know
reach
you're not.
Reach for yours.
Mr. Smith.
Reach for your gun.
Grab that by the strap and put it down, please.
Camera on? I don't see no red
It's
light.
on.
Sure.
Mr. Smith, do you know where you're at?
Yeah.
Where you at?
Bay County. I'm on Edith. No, is this Edith Height? Nope.
It is not.
This is Carolina. Subdivision.
Okay. Can I take that off of you?
Huh?
Can I take that by the strap and get off it?
You worried about it? You got a gun. You got two of them.
I know. You got two
Why
as
you
well.
want mine? So why you want just one?
Mr. Smith.
Hey, I'm telling you, you touched me, bro. I
Mr.
talked about
Smith.
this shit. Hey, one more. Hey,
Grab it. Don't you touch it.
Don't. No fear,
Bay,
man.
I got one at gunpoint.
No fear.
Put it down. Put it down. Bay, shots fired. Drop the gun. Drop. I need code 3 now. I got shots fired.
From the office.
Bay, shots fired. One subject down.
Where you are? We have this location.
Weber and 231.
Code 3.
Back up. Back up.
471, same traffic. 25A, covered. Weber and 231.
That's different.
Okay, 470 route code 3 from Penny and 231. Oh, he's in route. 6-8 Bay, if we haven't already, fired EMS around.
Mr. Smith.